Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to Indian bank account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the process, first thing to do is to launch the Revolut app on your device and log into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to navigate to the payment section. So to do this, you have to tap on the payment icon, the payment tab located at the bottom menu. Then from there, you have to add recipient. So to do this, tap the plus symbol in the top right corner, then select bank recipient. So from there, you have to add the recipient details, which is the full name, the bank account number, and the bank's IFC code, which is the Indian Financial System code. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer. So to do this, adding the recipient, go back to the payment section, then select the recipient from the list, then enter the amount you wish to send, then review the exchange rate and any other associated fee. And once you're done with that, add a reference if needed, then confirm and complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Revolut to Indian bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.